Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This week I took a little trip across the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. It goes from Sandy Point to Kent Island. It's a great drive. There is some fun and thrills to it, but other than that, it's a beautiful view from on top. You can almost see where I live. Oh, actually, you can't see where I live. And you can see almost up to Baltimore. Almost up to Baltimore. But it's a great view of the bay, shipping, and the recreational boating that goes on there. The bridge itself was originally conceived well over 100 years ago, but it wasn't until the 1940s after World War II when it was started, and it was completed in 1952. It's roughly 4.3 miles across, and it's a beautiful drive. Start the recorders. I don't know if you're on or not. No, you don't appear to be on. Okay. And here we are, crossing over in the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. Speed limit's 40, everybody's doing 60. There's a ship out there. I'll have to get pictures of it when we get back. And then down that way, you can see the antennas for the Naval Academy that's on the Severn River. And there are a lot of boats out there. Voting was lifted a few days ago, but this is the first weekend that everybody's free to get outside for a little bit. So they're out there on the water. And it's a beautiful day. It absolutely is nice. It's 70 something. You know, just can't beat this. Nice sailboat. Love to be out there myself, but right now it's not possible. And traffic's building up, but you can see this is so, the boating is this area. It's almost everybody is involved in it one way or another, either to watch, sail them, drive them, fix them, mate them. Now that way is the Atlantic Ocean. Can't see it from here, it's 100 some odd miles away. We're fast approaching Kent Island, which was one of the first places inhabited in this area in the Chesapeake by the English. Native Americans already had it. My golly, it's a busy. Everybody broke free and is out today. Yeah, this is a good day. A beautiful day. Now with all this boat traffic, it really gets congested. And this is Kent Island. Ferry used to run from where we got on the bridge across here. It's about 5 miles, roughly, 5 miles. So it's one of the narrowest points on the bay. which is why there was a ferry here, the bridge is here. US 50 301 goes through here. The importance of this is actually the end of I-595, which starts down in DC on US 50 and goes across over here. So this is all interstate I-595. And over here it kind of dissipates. They didn't extend it beyond over the bridge. Love this. You know, it's really a wonderful place. At last, people are slowing down. Now we're going from west side to east side. Oh my God, look at all the boaters down there trying to fish, all getting in each other's way. Yeah, they're really rocking and rolling too. And up over there is Baltimore to my left. And this is the terminal for the ferry boat years ago. There's an airport here too, a little light aircraft airport. And believe it or not, that is a very expensive marina. Now here we are, we're leaving Stevensville area and we're heading west. So we're taking the bridge from east shore to west shore, or from 301-50 on the eastern shore over to the west shore, which is the Annapolis area. There are a lot of boaters out there. Over to the right, up that way, you can't see it in the haze right now, but it is Baltimore. Now they only have 2 lanes open, so they must be getting ready to run a 3rd lane from the west shore to the east shore. Oh man, there's a lot of boaters out there. A lot of sunburns coming in. Speed down a bit. We don't need to rush over the bridge. To my left and down, you can see the point where I live. And that's where I take pictures of the bridge from, is right there. That's roughly 5 miles south. They just finished this repair of this lane. Doing a lot of repair work to the bridge. It takes, these things are live and they need to be repaired all the time. Sometimes you have to do a major repair work on it, and that's what they're doing. So they shut down much of the bridge for a year, They finished early, and with all the shutdown from the coronavirus, they've been able to get more done than they expected. And that's all the projects, all the road projects around have the same thing. Getting a lot done, a lot more done than they expected. And it kind of looks like the wind shifted to the northeast because she's on her hook and swung around. So the front is coming in. That's why it's hazy. We're expecting cold front, which is coming in right now. Hey, wow. God, I want to be out on the water. But with this wrist, can't risk it. Oh, this is all pretty. Boy, that looks great. New paint job on her, on this bridge looks great. Really nice. Beautiful day. And that lighthouse there was for sale. I think somebody bought it. It's not in use anymore, but you could own it. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh man, what a beautiful day. Look at that. Woo. Beautiful day. And we're bouncing down here. Well, those boaters have churned up the water pretty good now. Sorry about the ride. I mean, it's, of course, we're in a big heavy truck. This is not the smoothest there is. And we may have to redo this later on with a gimbal on the camera just to try and smooth it out. Oh goodness gracious, look at all the people on the beach. Wow. That's a lot of people. And that's the terminus. That's where the ferry boat came in before. So here we are. We're going through. And much change. They got rid of the tolling to make the transition smoother, which is why we just shot straight through instead of having to slow down a lot. Oh, amazing. Well, there we go.